Hello there everyone. I'm also back with another video. This is an exhaust fan in my grandpa's bathroom. There's a little bit of the logo there. If I can get to it. It's hard to tell. Sorry about that, guys, but here it is. It's a exhaust fan with light. So let's turn it on. Oh, wrong light. Oh, it's a Braun exhaust fan. Here's a little bit better vision of the logo. There you go. It's a Braun exhaust fan. Has a regular incandescent bulb in it. Here it is. Here's a switch to it. There it is right there. And that is a fluorescent light, guys. Let me turn it on. It's a failing fluorescent light. It's failing here. Yeah. Just the terminals are glowing. I think the filaments have gone bad. Either that or the starter just quit working. I think it was the starter, but here's a switch to it. There's the switch to the exhaust fan. So guys, that's all I have for in here. That's a cool exhaust fan. Alright. As always, like the video. Subscribe if you like my content. Hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button in order not to miss any of my videos that I upload. You could be the first to see it, or maybe even the top 10 people that have seen it. And as always, see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.